They been missing you. Where you been?
Y'all, I got my CDL. I'm out this bitch.
Yeah. She out there. They talking about what's her Instagram?
Damn Little Diamond.
Yeah. Damn Little Diamond.
Y'all, I been MIA.
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what, 78 was a good year.
Yes.
Javi, shut your punk ass up. I know this nigga right
here. Javi said that's a little 150.
I bet you gonna bring that shit out today. Where your Mustang at? He ain't fucking with these folks out here. They gonna gap your ass.
Javi said that's a little 150cc. God damn. Boy, he a damn fool, boy. Talking about a 150cc. What's up with it, Lo? Yeah, it
man, like a motherfucker.
That's what you was looking for?
Yeah, man, that bitch sound crispy than a motherfucker. Nah, it ain't loud at all now.
What?
Boy, it sounds good, man.
Damn. Man, I thought you was gonna come up here and win.
Shit, I saw your live. I said, shit, I'm finna go out there.
No man.
I'm gonna try to get back though. I'm gonna just wait on the building. That's
all. He gonna make a full pass?
Oh, he is. That sweet motherfucker ain't gonna not do it.
Oh, okay. Full pass, y'all.
Somebody say no full pass.
Look at that car.
No full pass. No full pass. Yeah, you like that? You think because he got that parachute on it, it might be fast? No, I don't think that's him. This is a grudge race. Yeah. That's because the exhaust way over there. It's on the opposite side of us. Sound like got some power? Yeah. Okay, let's see what this side got. Oh, this middle.
I follow you.
Oh, you do? I thought you did. Already, man. We got builder on the right side, y'all. Right lane won that, I think. Let me ask Funky Town what he think. Where Funky Town is? Where Funky Town go? Where he at? Where Tyrone at? Hey! Damn. Look out, look out. Hey.
You guys already came up, didn't you? I got James just giving me the message. I just saw it. Sorry, James.
We got my boy in the building, y'all.
So with it, man.
We out here getting to it.
Getting to it, man. Getting to the money.
You gambling on anything tonight?
Not right now. That's
Bullshitting over that stage.
Yeah.
If he was at extreme, that 7 second would have popped his ass. He lucky he had Yello Belly with that bullshit.
Damn.
Yeah, man.
You think that messed up the car in the left lane?
I don't know. Shit, he lost.
Yeah.
I bet it on this motherfucker.
I ain't even think he lost. I thought he won. I think they still got it on 7-0, like what happened last time with Funky Time.
Oh shit, I ain't finna argue the point.
Yeah.
I bet you I ain't finna.
Yeah, I think that.
Tyrone, he down there to get that happen.
Let me ask Tyrone if that happened. Where he at? Oh, Funky Town. Did you see that car a while ago?
Yeah, he lost it. He had to get off of it. He did like this.
I thought this Trans Am won.
He did. Trans Am won. Yeah, this lane won.
Okay.
He did. Cause he had to. He was
Yeah.
But he started doing like this.
Okay.
He ain't gonna tear shit up.
Yeah, okay. I was just making sure.
Yeah, Trans Am won.
Okay. 'Cause somebody on here talking about blood money. He said that ain't blood money.
That was legit shit.
That was legit.
That dude wasn't gonna tear shit up.
Yeah, that was legit.
That was legit.